Is there a built-in function to print all the current properties and values of an object? So what I'm looking for here is something like PHP's print_r function. This is so I can debug my scripts by seeing what's the state of the object in question.
You are really mixing together two different things. Use dir, vars or the inspect module to get what you are interested in. I use _built-ins_ as an example. You can use any object instead. Print that dictionary however fancy you like. Or Pretty printing is also available in the interactive debugger as a command.
You want vars mixed with pyprint.
There are many third-party functions out there that add things like exception handling, national/special character printing, recursing into nested objects, etc. according to their author's preferences. But they all basically boil down to this.
Dir has been mentioned, but that'll only give you the attributes names. If you want their values as well, try _dict_. Here is the output.